So I have a book that I wrote for beginners to help self-publish. So that's what we'll be going over tonight. And I'm going to start with first. With self-publishing, you have to already have your book written and also have you want to have an editor for your book, and you also want to have someone that is going to create your book cover. But let me just walk back a little bit, step back a little bit. So if you're at this point where you are ready to self-publish, that means you've already accomplished something because you've already written your book. So make sure that book that you've written has been edited by someone professional. And that person doesn't have to cost a lot because there are sites where you can go to, like I've used, and you can find an editor. So I usually find my editors on Fiverr or Upworks. And the last time I had someone edit my book, I found them on Upwork, and she did a pretty good job. So that's what I would recommend. If you're you're interested in self-publishing, go ahead and write your book, write it out, get everything out, and then, the next step is to find someone to edit your book. And then also you would have to come up with a title. There's so many things that you have to do to get yourself ready to self-publish. And I actually have a publishing for beginners book that I will share with you. It's if you click on my page, it's probably in my link.